Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your profile avatar on Sweatcoin account. So we're going to update our image. So we're going to go to the app, then click on social, then click on our profile icon, then click on the pencil button. Then you're going to click on change avatar option. So you're going to select an image from your photo gallery. Then once you're done, you're going to click on save change. It might take a while, so be patient while it loads. So once you're done, once you refresh it by going back to the main page, you can see that your profile avatar has been updated. So this is how you change your profile avatar. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.